Hey there, solar energy lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into some essential tips to help you maximize the lifespan of your PV system. If you're all about getting the most out of your solar investment, you're in the right place. Let's jump right into it. Picture this: solar panels that keep shining bright for years to come. How can you make that happen? Well, it's all about the right strategies, maintenance, and a little following up for your solar setup. To start things off on the right foot, invest in top-notch components from reliable manufacturers. And when it's time to install your PV system, call in the professionals who know the ins and outs of the trade. Trust us, quality matters. Next up, site selection. Choose a spot with maximum sunlight exposure and minimal shading. It's like finding the perfect stage for your solar stars to shine. Keep those solar panels looking spick and span. Regular cleaning with water and a gentle brush will do the trick. A little maintenance goes a long way. The inverter's the heart of your PV system. Show it some love with regular inspections and care. It's a small effort that can make a big difference. Stay in the know with monitoring tools. They'll keep you informed about how your system's performing. Mother Nature can be a tough critic. Make sure your PV system is prepared to face rain, snow, and wind. Sturdy materials and proper anchoring are your backstage crew. Set up a maintenance schedule. Regular checkups, cleaning, and component reviews will keep your solar setup running smoothly and prevent any surprises. Sometimes, it's best to bring in the pros for a thorough assessment. They can catch issues before they become headliners. Don't stop learning. Keep yourself up to date with workshops, online courses, and resources from solar associations and manufacturers. Knowledge is power, after all. So, there you have it, your guide to extending the life of your photovoltaic system. With these strategies, you'll be enjoying clean, green energy for years to come. Thanks for tuning in, solar superheroes. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more solar insights and renewable energy updates. Until next time, keep harnessing the power of the sun and making a difference. Stay charged.